Today I'm going to show you how to make a chain stitch. First of all, you need to make a loop. Insert your crochet hook through the loop and pull the yarns. The small end of the yarn is called a tail and the rest of the yarn is called a working yarn. To start a chain stitch, you need to hold the working yarn with your index finger and wrap it around, and hold the tail with your thumb. Now, whenever you're reading a pattern sheet or going through a pattern tutorial, you should know that the first loop on the crochet hook is not counted as a chain. For the first chain, yarn over and through the loop and repeat the process again and again for as many chains as you need. Now, I've already made 8 chains and you can see that the chains give you a braided yarn effect. Next, I'm going to show you a slip stitch. It is not a stitch which is used on its own usually. It is more of a binding or a securing stitch which is used to join rounds or to create shape. So for the slip stitch, you're just going to continue with the loop that is on your crochet hook. I am going to try to create a round with this chain. So I am inserting the crochet hook without taking any extra yarn in the first chain that I've made. Then yarn over, pull through the first chain or whichever stitch you need to make the slip stitch in. And without taking any extra yarn, the first loop goes through the second one. And that's how you've created a binding stitch or a slip stitch. Stay tuned for part 3.